Welcome to 5 Minute Tech Clash. Today we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the Amazfit Bip 6 and the Amazfit Active 2. You can check out both watches through the links in the description box below. First up, the Bip 6 comes with a beautiful AMOLED display, and so does the Active 2, so you're getting rich colors and deep blacks on both. But when it comes to size, the Bip 6 takes the lead with a larger 1.97-inch screen, while the Active 2 sticks to a more compact 1.32-inch display. Now, resolution-wise, the Bip 6 has 390 by 450 pixels, which is sharp, but the Active 2 comes in hot with 466 by 466 pixels, offering even crisper visuals. That higher resolution also means the Active 2 has better pixel density, 353 ppi, compared to the Bip 6's 302 ppi, making everything look a little more detailed. For protection, the Bip 6 uses tempered glass with an anti-fingerprint coating, while the Active 2 goes a step further with 2.5D tempered glass, also with anti-fingerprint tech. Battery-wise, the Bip 6 has a 340 mAh cell, slightly bigger than the Active 2's 207 mAh, which means it lasts longer, up to 14 days, versus 10 days on the Active 2. Charging is a tie. Both watches use magnetic charging, keeping things simple and easy. As for size, the Bip 6 is a bit taller at 46.3 millimeters, while the Active 2 is 43.9 millimeters in both length and width, giving it a more compact and balanced feel. The Bip 6 is 40.2 millimeters wide, a little narrower than the Active 2, but it's also slightly thicker at 10.45 millimeters, while the Active 2 slims down to 9.9 millimeters. When it comes to weight, the Bip 6 is lighter at just 27.9 grams, while the Active 2 comes in two versions, 29.5 grams for the standard and 31.55 grams for the premium model. Material-wise, the Bip 6 has a fiber-reinforced polymer body paired with an aluminum alloy frame. On the other hand, the Active 2 offers a more premium look with a stainless steel bezel and polymer middle frame. Both watches come with 2 buttons for navigation and are 5 ATM water resistant, so you're good to go for a swim with either one. And yep, both have a microphone and speaker, making Bluetooth calls possible right from your wrist. GPS? Check and check. Both support 5 satellite positioning for accurate outdoor tracking. As for the strap, the Bip 6 uses liquid silicone for a soft feel, while the Active 2 gives you more choice, leather for that classy look, or silicone for workouts. Both are packed with the same sensor suite: biometric sensors, accelerometer, gyroscope, geomagnetic, ambient light, heart rate, and temperature sensors. Basically everything you need for health and fitness tracking. They both connect via Bluetooth 5.2, sync with the Zepp app, and are fully compatible with Android and iOS. Finally, sports modes. The Bip 6 supports over 140 sports, which is already a lot, but the Active 2 edges it out with 160+ sports modes. The Amazfit Bip 6 is priced at just $79, while the Amazfit Active 2 comes in a bit higher at $99. So, if you're after a budget-friendly smartwatch with a larger display and solid battery life, the Bip 6 is a great choice. But if you want something more compact with a sharper screen and a premium feel, the Active 2 might be worth the extra bucks. Amazfit Bip 6 Pros: big 1.97 AMOLED screen, great for visuals. Long 14-day battery life, less charging, more doing. Cons: lower pixel density, not the sharpest display. Plastic build feels less premium. Amazfit Active 2. Pros: super sharp 353 ppi display, crisp and clear, premium design with stainless steel and leather. Cons: smaller 1.32-inch screen, less screen space, shorter 10-day battery life. And now, it's time to pick the winner. While both watches bring some solid features to the table, the crown goes to the Amazfit Bip 6. Why? It wins with its massive screen size, bigger battery, longer battery life, and most importantly, its affordable $79 price tag. If you're looking for great value without cutting corners, the Bip 6 is the one to go for. You can check out both watches through the links in the description box below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me.